So if you want to convert all your Facebook profile friends to your page followers, then make sure that you watch this video till end, as I'm going to be showing you the top secret on how you'll be able to convert all your profile friends into your followers. Is that okay? This will help you grow swiftly on this platform. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert all your contact list and all your Facebook profile friends into your followers, thereby increasing the rates and the numbers of your followings. So make sure you watch this video to end, because that is where the strategy and the things to do in order to achieve this is embedded. Is that okay? Watch the video to end. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share the video, drop your comment at the comment section. If you have any question or you have something, a particular topic you want me to talk about, make sure you drop that at the comment section. And if it is your first time of coming across my videos, make sure you follow this page, make sure you like the page. Is that okay? So let's get straight into the video tutorial.
So what you need to do is just to come to your Facebook app. All right, go to your Facebook app. Is that okay? So when you come to your Facebook app, what you just need to do is to come to this place. Make sure you have already turned on to your Facebook. All right, make sure you have turned to your page. All right, if you have other pages, you can simply come here and choose the particular page you want to work with. Is that okay? So for me, I have already chosen the page I want to work with, which is this one, real life events. Sorry, which is Daniel Michael DMI. Is that okay? So I will click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this place. Is that okay? So when you come here, you're going to see promote, you're going to see add story, you're going to see management, and then you're going to see this three dots here. Is that okay? So simply click on these three dots. All right, click on the three dots. Is that okay? So I'll click on the three dots, right? So when I click on the three dots, if you come to this place, you see page settings. All of these things, you can use them and set up your page and other things. Is that okay? So to copy your page link, you just come to this place. All right, look at your page link. You can see that your page link, your personalized link on Facebook. All right, so this is your Facebook page link. All right, this thing you are seeing here now is your page link. All right, so to copy this link now, you simply come here and click on copy. Is that okay? Come here, you're going to see copy. You're going to see copy link at the bottom. So just click on that copy. All right, let me click on it now. You can see loading is copying. Then Michael had to bookmark. So this page now has successfully been copied. Is that okay? Let's say, for instance, if I want to share it with people, I want to invite people to come and like my page or to come and follow me, I'll just copy it and send to them on their WhatsApp or on their Facebook. All right, I'll just forward it to them. Say, please follow my page. You just type there, please follow my page. Then you paste the link. Now, okay, let me show you how to actually paste it for those that don't know. So all you need to do is just to come to your WhatsApp. When you come to your WhatsApp, you just come here and type. For instance, let's say maybe you want to invite somebody to come and follow you. You just type hi, trust you had a great day today. Please click on the link below to click on the link above to follow my page for great content. All right, so just write something that will look nice. Is that okay? For great content, thanks in anticipation. Thanks in anticipation. All right, you can come here and just put this love thing. All right, is that okay? Then you come here. Sorry, just bring this down. Then you come here and put the link. All right, that link that you have copied from your Facebook, just come here and put it. All right, you click on paste. All right, the link is pasting. All right, you can see the link now. All right, then you click on send. You can see your link has been sent successfully. Is that okay? Your page link has been sent successfully. Is that okay? You can see that. I trust you had a great day today. Please click on the link above to follow my page for great content. Is that okay? After doing the first one, you can just click on it, go to this place, copy it again. After copying it, you go to different people's DM, maybe your friends. It has to be your friends, your family members, people that you want them to follow you. Just go and paste it on their DM, maybe on WhatsApp or Facebook. All right, and they are going to follow you. Is that okay? So that is simply how to copy your Facebook link. Is that okay? That is how to copy your Facebook link. All right, thank you. I believe you have gained value from this video. If you follow this, you are going to get massive followers. It's going to help you to maximize the tools and get followers on your page. Is that okay? And if you also want to share your link to somebody to review your post, to review your page, this is simply how to copy your link. Is that okay? Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like the video. Drop your comment if you have any question or something you want me to talk about. Drop that at the comment section. Share the video. Is that okay? Share the video, share it to your timeline. All right, I'll see you in the next video. If you're not following the page, make sure you follow the page, like the page, and put it on favorite so that you will always see my videos. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
If you want swift growth on your page, then make sure you pay attention to all the information that I'm going to be giving to you on this page. If you want your page to grow with speed, then make sure you listen to every single thing that I'm going to be telling you right in this video.